I'm coming. Oh, come in. Okay. I need to visit over you. Come in. Just checking on my Facebook. Okay then, honey. Okay, what does your microphone look like? What does it say? Beep. Shut that. Hello? Oh, my dog. My cousin is your...
Yes, that is because it's time for the famous, the fabulous Gadget Show competition.
Yep.
Yes, and this week, I think you're going to want to do.
Do you want to come in the bedroom? Sure, okay. So I'll go in the bedroom. Heidi ho. I'm afraid it's going to be boring. Daddy, stop. Come and sit by Daddy. She's a nasty woman. Nasty. Well, now, what are you going to talk about? I'm going to talk about Michael Jackson. I want to talk to Justin Bieber. I want to talk about Justin Bieber. I want to talk about Oh, God! Will you shush? We're trying to go on a video here. Oh, okay. Where? You got a baby? Uh-huh. I made it. Did you make it? Yeah, she did. Like, she made me. She doesn't look like very like us, but she's our baby. Well, she's in a bad mood today. I am not in a bad mood. Turn. There. Wait. Everybody stop talking about everything. I don't want you talking about nothing, so come on. Let's just go in the garden. Oh yeah, okay. What? Go. Baby. Why are we going to the garden now, honey? You don't know why we're going to the garden? No. Let's eat pie. Oops, disgusted. Mommy. That's your mom. Come on, let's go back. Right. Where the... So... Yep. Come on, guys. My baby about to cry. Ow. So that... oh, yeah? So that... well, then... That's all. Say bye-bye. Hello, my name is Brooklyn. we're doing a camera video for CNC inside. Two of us are going to join together. Two of us are going to join together, and one is going to join on their own. One is going to go with a baby, yeah, and one is us going to go with a teenager. Well, keep saying. Hey, yo! I love to be with my baby. There's my baby. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, don't sneeze, please. Don't in front of the camera. Oops. Daddy, please get us on YouTube. Okay, then. I think we'll finish this one. Hi, I'm with the stupid baby. Hi, and I'm with the stupidest baby ever. Bye. Dad, I finished this. Film.
Right, I'm watching out. Do another part then. Stop it, play it. Set up another shot.
Okay.
And carry on playing. Record and pause it. And then go on to the next shot.
Right there. I think we're right there. So that's a bit. Without the baby this time, it says. Right there. Right there.
I see trees of